So today I'm going to the gym. Am I in the mood? No, but I have to do what I have to do. Yeah. So I'm on the way to the gym. Struggle is you. Oh my god, I think I'm coming to the gym. There's someone that's there. I like it when I'm just in home. There's somebody in the gym already. Yay! There's nobody because the light was on. Maybe someone just left that train. Yeah, let me show you guys my gym where yeah. Sokpotila. Don't go. Alrighty. Same day, I want to repair my camera. I don't know if I mentioned them, but my camera has spots here, so I want to repair it. Yeah, like my first camera, same thing happened. It fell, it stopped coming on. And this my camera, this one too, it fell, it's not coming on. Like, I'm so sad because I remember I really love this camera. Like, I remember when I got it, I was so happy. I can't believe it has popped. So let me go show you guys. Let me do fake unboxing. I just dropped off my camera. The guy that attended to me, I paid $112 Canadian dollars, and that was not to repair. So he said that he will get a specialist to check my camera and see like what's wrong with it. So I'm like, the camera fell down and stopped working. So I said, this still needs to get somebody. So he said that's $75, no problem. Then he now said he's going to charge me $25 because he was imputing like all the things like I said was wrong with the camera. In my mind, I'm like, that's your job now, Abby. I have to pay for that. So I shall pay $25 because he supposedly did the paperwork. I shall pay that's $25. Then with tax and everything, I think that shall fell to 112 Canadian dollars or 115. I feel no value. I shall dropped it. I paid. I'm waiting for my Uber. And yeah, so they said they'll give me a call and they know what is wrong with it and if they can repair it. I said, no, let me see the price they will give me. If it's one price like that, like I'm not doing it again. Like I'll just buy another one. And I also use style to ask him if I can sell it if they do that. It was not said no that the camera is fault, blah 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 and all that. I don't know why. Oh yeah. Let me give the estimate. The estimate. Alright now. I'll probably end this shenanigans there. And I'll see you guys when next I pick up my phone to record. Hey guys, funny how like I didn't put effort in doing my makeup and it looks nice. Like I used one facial, I don't remember the name. I'll show you guys. Then I just used powder, like I didn't use foundation, and like my makeup came out nice. Okay, let me show you guys what I'm wearing. I'm going shopping, winter shopping. Yeah, and I just remember that this month is Black Friday. Should I wait till then? But I'll go today. When Black Friday comes, I'll go again. Okay, let me show you guys what I'm wearing. So this is what I'm wearing. This year I want to like switch things up. I'm always wearing jeans, and fun fact, I do not like wearing jeans. Like, so this year I want to like look for joggers or big trousers to wear, but not jeans. Yeah, I love how I styled my hair, and yeah. Yeah, no, say hi. Okay, so this pant, I really like it, but I always have this issue, like waist. That is always a problem. And in this Canada, to do waist now, the fee say how much? If it be $100 like that. So that's the issue. The size I first took was tight, so I said okay, let me choose 2 size bigger than this. Anyway, I'll go and choose a size smaller and see. Oh yeah, I really like it. It's free. This is what I want this winter, something free. I don't want anything tight. I hate wearing tight body hugging stuff. But yeah. Okay, so I got a feedback concerning my camera yesterday. So the guy reached out to me that my camera is repairable and that they will repair it for $385. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to get back to him and let him know if like they should move forward or not. So I never thought about it. I'm like, let me see if I can price it and everything. So I reached out to him. I'm like, hey, that I'm a student, I'm an immigrant, that can he collect $300? I was like, okay, that he needs to talk to someone and that whatever the person says and everything. I'm like, oh sure, no problem. So he called me back, then I was like, oh, that can I pay $335 with tax? I should have this small shakara. Not 300. You should please, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, Sha agreed. So I told them to like move forward, and I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Like, I'm so happy that I'll get to use my camera back. Anyway, on the way to a salon, I want to go for pedicure. Yeah, it's been a moment. The other day, I went to thread my eyebrow. So I'm like, let me do my let me do my leg as well. So that's what I'm going to. My hair is a mess, and so I'm wearing this